Coming into this turn a little too hot, this rider nearly learns a hard lesson and gets the scare of a lifetime.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my gosh!
Watching it back in slow motion, you can really see how lucky he was, especially with how rocky the terrain was.
Oh my gosh! Oh fuck! Oh! Bro.
In this next clip, the rider gets confused when the driver ahead suddenly brakes after crossing the train tracks. Trying to avoid any trouble, he goes around them, but that move seems to set the driver off, who immediately starts chasing him down.
Can this dude help? Can I help you, bro? Let's see that plate, bro.
As the biker weaves through traffic trying to get away, you can see the car still flying through behind him trying to catch up. After that short chase, he manages to lose the aggressive driver in the mess of stopped traffic up ahead.
Yeah, f this, bro.
Rolling up to a red light, this Mercedes appears to be acting aggressively towards the group of riders as they try to make their way around the traffic jam.
Hey! Hold down. What's up, man? You alright?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get by.
Well, you're kind of getting these guys off the road, too. It's crazy. Get past us. We're stopping up here and get on your way, man.
Yeah, I'm really trying.
We'll get out of your way.
I tried to pass earlier.
Hey, we'll be out of your way in just a minute. Klamath,
Okay.
we're going to pull over and we'll be out of your way, okay?
Great.
Okay. Go.
Then on the highway, a series of bumps and a bad turning line sends this biker and his passenger into a near-miss moment.
Hey, I need you to get off this bike. That back tire's bad.
Pulling into the gas station, this rider begins to fuel up, completely unaware of what's about to happen. Just moments later, a Jeep pulls away from the pumps and slams right into her bike.
What'd you just do that for?
Sorry about that.
What'd you just do that for?
No, sorry.
What'd you just do that for? Why did you just hit my bike?
I thought I could make the turn.
Why did you just hit my bike?
I just hit
Pull
the
over,
tire.
pull over. Pull over right now. Pull over. Right now. Pull over. Right now.
I'm sorry.
Stay right there.
Hit the tire.
Alright, stay right there, please. Do not leave. Do not leave, okay? Do not leave. I'm calling the police. Stay right there. Sir, how you doing? Stay right there.
Watch here as a lane-splitting biker tries to make a U-turn. Unfortunately for him, though, it's already too late. This is exactly why I always say, expect the unexpected and keep your distance. Things can happen out of nowhere.
Eu não vou filmar ali só Palmeira, que eu já filmei muito, galera. Eita Jesus amado. Oh meu Senhor Jesus, um acidente na minha frente, meu Deus. Tão bem, irmão? Oh meu Deus do céu. O pneu estourou, não foi? Eu vinha filmando, velho, na hora. O pneu estourou. Estourou. Oh meu Senhor Jesus. Oh meu Deus. O pneu estourou bem na minha frente, ó.
Kombi é diesel, hein? Motorzão é diesel.
After following the truck for a few minutes, the biker starts to sense something's off. Then it hits him. There's something seriously wrong with the right side tire on the bus up ahead.
Ora. Ai, ai, ai.
So strong enough.